Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career.
Yeah, in this video, we will discuss about types of variables in Postman. Okay, so there are different types of variables are there. Generally, we are used in the day-to-day activities. The global variable, collection variables, environment variables, local variables. These four variables we are using generally, and one more is the data variable, but we will discuss later. But mostly we are using these variables like global variables, collection variable, environment variable, and local variable. So in this video, we'll only discuss about the global variable, what is the usage of that, how to set everything. Okay, and how to use the global variables in our API. Okay, we'll go to the Postman. We'll close these things. That is yesterday one. Okay, cool. So I will mention global variable. We'll create one request. We'll give the request global variable, global variable. Okay, fine. Now we have to give one thing here URL. This is our URL maybe. Okay, and we can save and send. Yeah, header is coming, and just we'll give one assertion, so we will got to know about that our script is getting fast or not. Okay, cool. So like this it is there. Okay, and you can see the test case is getting fast always. Okay, now we will discuss about that the global variables. So first things, how to define the global variable. Suppose here this is a URL is there, and we are keeping the hard coded of the URLs. See, this is the hard code. This we are keeping right http colon double slash localhost colon 3000. This is like we are keeping here, but instead of this we can define this variable in the global level and we can use it. So first way to handle this one. Okay, will I copy this one, and how to define the global variable. You can see the right side one icon is there. This is I icons. Okay, go this eye icons. Make sure you have to click on this eye icons. Once we click the eye icons, we'll get the two options. One is global, one is environment variable. So we have to go to global variables. Okay, once you the global variable, and you can define here value and initial value. Okay, variable is the variable is there. Okay, if you go global, you can variable is there. You can define the base URL. Okay, that is base URL. Okay, BASE base underscore, yeah. Okay, URL directly URL. What is the default initial value? What is the initial value? Our URL is there. This is our URL. Okay, you can save it. So it means that this is our base URL is saved. Okay, default is there. Type no need to change. Always default is there. Okay, once you define the variable name, we are defining base URL. Okay, for this one, after we define this one, when we want to use in our request, what how to use, we make sure we have to define two curly braces. I will show you two open curly braces, two close curly braces. Inside that we can give the base URL whatever name is there. Okay, this is the process to use global variable, and you can give right. If you go there like mouse hovering, you will go. You are see initial value is this, current value is that, is the scope is global variable. This is a global, it is coming like this. Okay, like that way we can use it, and you can send the request is getting fast, and if there is no issue. Okay, this is like first way. Okay, okay, this is the first way. So like how to define that global variable. But this is like we are going and we are deciding that the global variable, what is the global variable, and we are adding these things and we are using. If we don't want that one, and second way to use the global variable, we can define in the pre-request script. When we want to send the request, before that this global variable it will be set and it will work. Okay, first way is there, directly we will go and define that variables. Okay, second way, we can define in pre-request script. What is the meaning of pre-request script? Before sending the request, like it we can say the hooks. Okay, before executing our test case, this condition should be executed like that way. Got it? So in this case, we have to define the global variables, and once we define the global variable, it will be used. So now I will go here and I want to delete the variable. Okay, the global variable, edit, and this is a delete is there. I have deleted my global variable. Global variable I deleted. Okay, now if you come, still is showing here. I think is not saved. Now I save. Okay, after save, global variable is not there. Okay, and if you come here, you can see there is unresolved variable. Okay, got it? So we can define here in pre-request script. So before running the our test case, it should be set the global variable, and we from global variable we will take the value from here, and all script should be run. Okay, in that way. Okay, so what, how to define? We have a pm library is there, pm dot global dot set. If you want to set, it will set. Okay, so now what is the key means base url. I think base url is base url, comma, and what is the what value you want to set. Okay, that is host name, but host name we missed it. We'll take from here. Okay, okay, got it. This is a things. Now what will happen? Our test case, when test case will start, see it is unresolved because variable is not there. When we will run the test case, first it will go to the set the value, global value, and we will execute the test case. Let's see. Okay, see the test case is getting passed, and you can see here value is also defining. Okay, and you can go and check here, it is coming the value. Got it? So this is the second way to define that our global variable. I hope it is clear. First way, we will go directly here and we can define our value, whatever value is there, and we can use it. Second way, we can define in that pre-request script. So before running your test case, it will be set our script and our variable, and we can use for the particular API request, and we can check that everything and it should be the pass. Okay, this is the second way. Now what will happen if you are setting that this variable, and if you want to after execute our test cases, this value should be erased, it should be removed from the global variable. Okay, so how to do that? That is also good only, because every time if we are running, and this global variable we can use for the other request as well. Okay, once we created, so we are creating in the particular level this particular things. Okay, suppose multiple urls are there, multiple endpoints are there, you can define as per that particular multiple URL is there, multiple AI endpoints are there, here multiple endpoints are there. You can pre-request script, you can define it and we can do it. Now this is a pre-request, and like post request, after the response code will get, this is our response code. After that we have to check in the test. Test is our like after hook you can say, like after execution of that you can say that things. Okay, so here if you want this variable is there we want to remove, you can set the here, you can remove pmg library dot global is there, or global dot previously set that set we use, and we can use the unset we can use. Okay, unset what things we want to unset, what is that variable name of the unset, this is the our variable name base url, this is there. Okay, and you can run the test case. Okay, so if you want to run the test case you can see how test case is getting passed, but like main challenge is that this created variable is not there, because after that it is unset. Now one point will come here. I want to show one more thing. pm dot global dot. Okay, here unset is there to unset the particular value, whatever particular variable you have to. And if you want to use the clear means all that everything, whatever variables are there, that will be erased. I want to show the clear functions. Okay, first I will create once. I want to show you, just a minute. Okay, it's created, and you can see that variables are there, and suppose one more variable is there, and value is okay. Okay, like this. Cool. So this is two values are there, and suppose if you want to use this one base url and you have to run, only this base url will delete, another one will not delete. Got it? So because of that I want to show, when we want to use the clear function we want to use, it will be clear the all the variables. I want to show you. We'll run the test case, send the request, test case will pass everything, and you can see all the value is clear. So I think you guys got it. What is the difference between unset and clear? Okay, these two things I related to that global variable, how to use the global variables, how to set the global variable, how to unset the global variables, you how to set the particular level global variables, these things explain. Okay, that's it.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.